Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good morning, everybody. Today, I would like to present my paper on architecture. This is about design, space making of art and culture space making that can contribute to collaboration, creativity, and productivity. I would like to present my PDF so we can read the abstract first ya. Art and culture have perennially acted as catalyst for imagination expression when integrated into spaces. They engender a sense of identity, purpose, and inspiration, thereby creating a nurturing atmosphere that encourages individuals to think beyond conventional boundaries. By infusing spaces with art and cultural elements, organizations and communities can imbue their environment with a rich tapestry of ideas, perspectives, and narratives. Using qualitative method, this paper examines architectural paradigms and design principles that underpin the creation of dynamic spaces capable of nurturing interdisciplinary collaboration and fostering the incubation of groundbreaking ideas. By embracing this holistic approach, the institution can cultivate a sense of belonging and shared purpose, which are pivotal in encouraging individuals to contribute their unique skills and perspective towards collective innovation. This paper underscores the pivotal role that art and culture space design play in shaping environments that stimulate creativity and collaboration. I hope now my presentation have shown in the screen now. So we see fostering creativity and collaboration through art and culture space design is my title paper, yeah. So we see the next page. We talk about the background. I would like to make it I hope you can see the page more right now. View, okay. How about now? So art and culture have long been acknowledged as vehicles for expression, societal reflection, and the exploration of new frontiers. They possess an innate ability to transcend linguistic and cultural barriers, uniting individuals through shared emotion and experiences. When thoughtfully integrated into space art and cultural elements, bestow upon them a distinct identity and sense of purpose by creating an ambience that simulates the sense and spark curiosity. This component establishes an environment conducive to unbridled ideation and originality. So the question is, how is pivotal role that art, culture, space design play in shaping environment that stimulate creativity and collaboration? For this research, we use three framework theories: environmental psychology theory, basement attachment theory, and also innovation diffusion theory. The environmental psychology theory say that emphasizes the interaction between individual and their physical surrounding. This framework elucidates how the design of space, including the incorporation of art and cultural elements, can influence human behavior, emotion, cognitive process. It underscores the role of spatial aesthetics, sensory experiences, and personal connection with the environment in promoting creativity and collaboration. Place attachment theory explore the emotional and cognitive bonds individual from with physical spaces. It posits that spaces infused with cultural elements and meaningful art can foster a sense of belonging and identity, leading to increased engagement and creativity. This theory illuminates the emotional dimension that contribute to effective collaboration. Innovation diffusion theory focus on how innovation spread through social system. In the context of space design, it examines how the adoption of creative and collaborative environment can diffuse among individuals and teams, influencing their work habits and collaborative behavior. And also there is constructivist learning theory emphasizes the active construction of knowledge through social interaction and personal experience. When applied to space design, this theory suggests that interactive art and culture infused space can serve as platform for collaborative learning, idea generation, and co-creation of knowledge. So we use this method. We make literature research and observation, also interview. Then we also study cases from best practice. So we get some lesson learned regarding the element of space. Zisco have concern about architectural attraction and structure. Leonard Springer tells about the applying transdisciplinary approach. Oibrit says about interactive, creative, decision-making, and social interactive. Jung Pon Braja talk about engage creative learning expression and communication collaboration skill. Yulin talking about design that encourage curiosity, promote cultural awareness. Some benefits of arts and culture, collective space has mentioned by Carissa. She talked about the shape and define community identity. Susan Rudnick tells about tool for engagement empowerment. Eva Olney say it's useful for community work, support healing and recovery. Donald James talking about promote leisure, connectedness, building sense of belonging. Anglio Pinar and friends tell about interdisciplinary collaboration, develop creation, collaborative experience, attract user. From some literature research, we also find some factors to consider in the arts cultural space that force collaborative and creativity. Grady Mills say that the design should culturally aware and celebrate local culture where adaptable and inclusive to other cultures. Leonard Springer concerned about transdisciplinary approach involving research, art, material, tech, process, and human interaction. Eva Corina said about combines important theoretical component for client development and the formation of the main idea of project. Martina enhanced new form of interaction and collaboration. Alana said about incorporate online performance collaboration tools to develop musical skills, enhance creativity, and build meta capabilities such as native speaking, communication, independent thinking, and problem solving. So from some finding, we analyze and make discussion about them. We summarize that the factor for collective design of art and culture that foster collaboration and creativity should consider some this aspect. First, cultural diversity as catalyst, then flexible adaptive layout, then prolific design for inspiration, including that involving natural lighting, indoor plants, nature-inspired texture, enhance well-being, but also stimulate creativity by connecting individual with natural world and encouraging perspective. Then there should be interactive technology integration, holistic multisensory stimulation, including color palettes, textures, scenes, and ambient sounds, contribute to entertainment that engage multiple sensory rich spaces, enhance cognitive engagement, affect emotion, and prompt unconventional thinking. There is also designated collaboration zone, specific areas within the space designed explicitly for collaboration, equipped with interactive displays, readable surface, comfort-based setting, have consistently led to increase engagement and idea creation. This zone encourages impromptu discussion and teamwork. They should also consider art as conversation starter, art installation that provoke talk, initiate conversation, and challenge conventional thinking pattern are integral to nurturing creativity and cooperation. Engaging art can inspire an individual to engage in discussion, share diverse viewpoints, and explore novel ideas. And then there should be cross-disciplinary proximity, arranging workstation or zone to encourage interaction between individuals from different disciplines, foster serendipitous encounters, and promotes the exchange of innovative ideas. Close proximity encourages the individual to seek out diverse perspectives from problem solving. So the conclusion, the intersection of art, culture, and space design hold transformative potential for creating environment that inspire creativity and cultivate collaboration. Through the exploration of various theoretical framework, it becomes evident that these elements are not mere aesthetic but dynamic catalysts that shape human behavior, emotion, and cognitive process within design and environment. The series of these elements orchestrates a symphony of influence that elevate collaborative and creativity to new heights. From the lens of environmental psychology, we understand the integration of art and culture. Symbol evoke emotions, stimulate cognitive engagement, and enhance overall well-being. In competence historical framework into practice, it becomes clear that will design space in which with art and cultural element become more than physical structure, become landscape for the main space that beacon creativity to flourish and collaboration to thrive. As citizen, designer, communities navigate an increasingly interconnected and diverse world, the merits of art, culture, and space design emerge as a potent formula for unlocking the untapped potential human ingenuity. Thank you. please do not hesitate to have conversation with us and work with us in space making.